Hey guys, welcome back to Bumblebee Kid Toys. I'm bringing you another blind bag blind pick video. I usually stick my hand into my bin full of blind bags and pick a few to open. But this time I'm trying something a little different. I have my claw arcade game here, and inside are pieces of paper with all the logos of the blind bags I have. I'm going to win these out of the claw toy first and open up the matching blind bag to that of the logo. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here I have lots of tokens to put into my claw arcade game. I'll start with the first one. Let's see which one comes out first. And we have one. Alright, here is the first one. Let's open it up and see what the logo is. And we have Little Woodzeez Bobblies Bobblehead Collection. Let me find one inside my bin. I already see one here on top. Here is a yellow one. I have my scissors and let me open it up. These are in the shape of an acorn. Here is our flyer. And here is our character. This character looks like a little owl wearing a pink dress. Let me find her on the flyer. And here she is, Oodles Owl. She even has a pink flower on her ear. We'll put Oodles right there. Let's move on to our next blind bag. I will insert my token and see which one we get next. Alright, here's our next one. Let me take out the paper. And we have the Shopkins Happy Places. Let me find one in the bin. Oh, here's one. It comes with 3 Petkins and 1 tile. Let me carefully open this. Here is the cute box. Our 3 Petkins. Here are the tiles. Here is the flyer. Let me put these tiles together. Now I can open up the character bag. Take out the big one. This looks like a cute little pink and turquoise table. Let me open up the flyer and find it. There are lots of Petkins in this flyer, and I found it. We have Shoe Rack Bench. Let's see what other Petkins we have. Here are the shoes for the shoe rack bench. Let's see what the final Petkin is. It's a little hat. And that is also what it's called on the flyer, hat. Alright, we're done opening that blind bag. It's time to move on to our next one. Here we go. Oh no, it didn't turn on. Let me try it with another coin. There we go. Oh no. I'm having a hard time here. Here's the third one. And the logo for this one is a Disney Tsum Tsum. Now let me find the Tsum Tsum in my bin. Here's a Series 6 one. On the back, it has all the different ones that we can find in this series. Here's our flyer. And our character. Looks like we got ourselves a villain. This villain goes right inside these green glowing flames. Does anyone know the name of this villain? It's Maleficent. I don't know if she's in this flyer too. Let's see. She is right here. Okay, Maleficent, let's put you right here next to the Shopkins Petkins. Alright everyone, well those are all the blind bags I'm opening up for you in this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel. I'll see you next time everyone. Bye!